we have a 1974 LH TORANA. Now this car may look familiar to you all. It is too serious to sit around, so we thought we would bring it back.
But if you're not a Holden fan, you can take 100 grand cash.
Now this car has a long list of specs, so let's hop into it.
This thing's powered by a small box Chev 422 Cube with all the right stuff in it to make that massive power.
That bottom end's topped off beautifully with 18-degree Chapman heads, pack springs, Jessel rockers and Hippo lifters. And this thing breathes through a 3.5-inch full stainless exhaust from front to back.
And with that power, you need a 2-speed Powerglide with a transbrake through a 5800 converter. This thing has a fully fabricated floating rear end with billet axles, adjustable Viking shocks all round, Wilwood brakes front and rear, and this thing's rolling on RC comp wheels, 15 4s at the front and 15 8s at the back, bead-locked baby.
This thing is clean inside and out with a full SLR interior, Holly 6-inch digital dash and a TCI shifter.
Guys, I think we can all agree this is a serious package.
So the equation is simple. It's the car or the cash, but you do need to be fast. This is a 3-day draw. We're drawing a car this Friday, so you need to get in fast. Good luck, guys.